Google Ads. If in the year 2025 you will learn this course properly and well, then I can guarantee you that you will be learning everything from scratch and from a beginner level to pro level in Google Ads expert. I am working in the digital marketing industry since past 16 years. Friends, we are going to be teaching you everything inside this specific course. Just like the way we do in our digital marketing agency for our clients and how we run ads, create strategies. So you will learn practically. So today's topic is how you are going to be creating an account specifically for Google Ads and you will get free credits. Let us say that if you get a specific amount and add to your budget as per ad requirements, so you will be getting the same amount of money or more in the form of credits. And you can use them for free, meaning if you invest 20,000 rupees, Google will give you 20,000 rupees and run ads worth 40,000 rupees. You invested 20k and Google's 20k totaling 40k, but you only spent 20. So these free credit offers come from time to time, sometimes more often, sometimes less often. So we'll tell you that and also teach you how to create an account because everyone will be learning this course, even if they've never used or it is their first time using Google Ads. So this is for those who have some knowledge of Google Ads but want to learn it to an expert level. Now in the computer screen in front of you, I will be teaching you practically and in detail how you can create an account. Friends, in the first step here, we will first open the browser and keep one thing in mind, that you will need a Gmail ID here as since we are creating a Google Ads account. So you will need a Gmail ID for the ads account as this is their product. So then, if you want to create an account using your email ID for Google Ads, then it should be open. Okay. So like my ID is Travel with Guptas, as we do travel blogging. So it doesn't matter which Gmail ID you use. You can create a new one and you can still create a Google Ads account with it or use the old one. So now here we have directly opened up the email ID and now we are going to be typing in on a new tab Google Ads. And then here we will search. We have ads google.com. So this is a sponsored ad. Below that the normal Google Ads is also coming. So now what I have to do is click directly here on Google Ads. As soon as I clicked here, obviously I will not be signing in from here as I don't have a new account. So if I have to create a new account, then I will click on Start Now. As we click on Start Now, you can see the entire dashboard is open and we have the Google Ads website open in front of us. Search ads, display ads, shopping ads, video ads and app ads. You can run all these things with this and you will learn much more. And the best part is what I told you. Friends, keep commenting as you go along this course and let us know where you are learning from. I mean, which part of India or the world are you learning this Google Ads course from? So that we are able to find out our course's reach and we know from where the people who admire us a lot are from. And please mention the specific date as well. And on or from which date did you start learning this ads course? And also, when did you complete the course? So this will be creating a connection and engagement which makes you and me connect. And this is my promise to you that we will teach you at an expert level. You will learn everything in Google Ads. And we will be teaching you in a simple way. That even if a child in 5th or 6th grade will be able to understand everything and you are going to be learning Google Ads with that simplicity. We have a lot to offer this time. So if you think you will be learning everything well, then please write in the comment section, yes, I will learn, because we get a lot of love and motivation from you when you comment and share. Now look here, we have choose a sign up offer. So here you should be choosing an offer before signing up. So here what do we have? 20,000 rupees, 40,000 rupees and 60,000 rupees. This could be different if you are in the US or Canada or in any other country. There might be different offers available. So it can change depending on the country. I am in India, so I can tell you about that. Now let us call the first offer that we have here as offer A. So 20,000 rupees ad credit, which means if you are going to spend 20,000 rupees on Google Ads within the first 7 days, then that 20,000 and you have to use it. You cannot just keep 20,000 rupees and get the same amount back. If you will add 20,000 rupees to your ad account, then within 60 days. If you get your first credit and it can be received anytime within those 60 days, so whenever you get it. So it basically means you can run ads worth 40,000 rupees. In the next offer, B says you get 40,000 rupees in ad credits. If you will be spending 60,000 rupees, then you will have to spend 60,000 within the first 60 days So it means within the first 60 days, if you spend 60,000 rupees, you will get 40,000 back. So it means you invest 60,000 and run ads worth 1 lakh rupees. So if you are serious, then you will know that the Google ad account is not just for fun. If you are going to run ads for your business, so you know how much your spending will be. So you choose the 20,000 or the 40,000 or 60,000. Because if you spend 1,20,000 rupees within offer C, you get 60,000 rupees. 1,80,000. So if you know how much you are going to spend, then choose the 20,000, because if you spend 20,000, you will get 40,000. If you are spending a like, then spend 60 and get 40,000. So this fact is known to you, right? And for your clients. So now, if you are specifically doing freelancing, or if you are doing something else, then you can educate your clients there saying, sir, I am doing this for your benefit. The clients may not know as they are from different backgrounds. So this becomes a matter of trust. So here you have to choose. So what I will do is, I am going to choose 20,000 rupees. I am choosing this, but you can choose whatever you want. So I chose offer A. So now here, how to claim the offer. So you need to sign up and complete the payment setup. This will apply the offer to your account. Okay. So here I will now click on claim now option. So I will click on claim now. Now what is happening? My account is being created. So here you will be able to see it is asking me for business information. So add your business information. After that, create your ads and then set your budget. So now we are being asked to create our first campaign here. So here I will have to start creating my first campaign. So then for that right now I will not be creating the first campaign right now. Why not? I will set up the billing first, as in this course I will first teach you how to create an account. So for the remaining you can create a temporary campaign which you are not going to be running. So you need to enter your business name. So I will write here travel with Guptas. So don't take this like I am teaching you how to create a campaign. This is just a formality to set up the account which I am teaching you. So now here I will have to enter a website. So here I'm going to put in my website link, and then let's take a look. So here in this website we are going to search for a stay, and like we are putting in a website for staycation. So here you will be entering the URL of your website. So right now I am putting in a URL, but then I will not be putting the URL here for now, as this website is currently not working. For now I am putting in a temporary website which I will remove later. You can enter the website you want. I am putting marketingfundas.com temporarily. I am putting it in for now, so I've put the URL of marketingfundas.com here now. I clicked on next and it will then start showing as reviewing your URL. So the review has started happening. Now you can see here what is happening. So now it's asking us to link some accounts. Like if you have a website and if you also have a YouTube channel, like I have a YouTube channel for Marketing Fundas. Okay. So that's the Marketing Fundas YouTube channel. I can add its link to this. And along with that, I can connect the number for communication also. And if you have a Google business profile, then you can connect that, but not now. We will be teaching you everything one by one. But right now we are simply setting up our account. So don't overthink it. We'll skip this. Skip for now. Look here, it is asking us what's your main advertising goal. Now this is taking me towards smart ads, express ads basically. But I'm not going to run this. And we are not creating a campaign now. We need to set up the account now. Here I'll just choose one option like get more calls. Now I will click next, okay. But I won't click next yet, as then it will take me further to start creating a campaign. What do we need to do? Below the option is saying view more goal types. Sometimes it's written and sometimes there is a skip option right here. I don't see the option here, but it might appear in your account. So these variations keep happening. I will go to view and I clicked on more goal types. Now as soon as I clicked here, now see, choose the goal has come to create a campaign, but I won't do that. There is a skip option below. I will skip directly. This wasn't available before. Back then what happened was we could simply say we want to go to the standard mode of Google. I would remove it from Express and bring it to standard and the billing would start. It is not like that anymore. So we will teach based on the present way and method. So here we are again getting the skip option. So I am going to skip it again. Leave campaign creation. We don't need to create a campaign, so we will be leaving the campaign creation. After this, we are now at confirm your account settings page. This is important as you will enter your billing settings. So now we have learned properly how to create an account. Now in the upcoming video, we will be learning how to complete and set up the billing settings. What details you should be having. And after billing settings, we will move on to the next journey.